guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm already on TradingView, and let's get started with the analysis. Let's dive into a strategy that automatically shows signals for opening a long or short positions. So for this strategy I'll need a combination of two indicators. Let's start analysis. Go to the indicators tabs and you can see these two indicators we need for today right in front of you guys. Let's start in order. So select the first one, and as you can see we get signals for opening long or short positions, buy and sell signals. However, most of the signals here are false, so we need to configure this indicator for it to work correctly. In this section, change the parameters to 70 and set this parameter to 21. So as you can see, most of the false signals have disappeared, but there are still some left, and to minimize our risk, so we need to choose another indicator, and let's do this. And we also need to configure it correctly for it to work. So go to settings, then to the style tab, and here remove the bar color, enter RSI alert. In this section select columns and remove these three values. These settings for this indicator are now also complete, and in front of you you can see the correctly configured combination of indicators. And let me explain how it works. First you need to wait for a long signal. Initially wait for a signal from your first indicator and only then open the trade. Place your stop loss at the previous structural minimum and then open your position. This strategy works well when opening position with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. I trade with 10% of my capital. Overall, this is the most reasonable trading strategy for me, but of course you should set your own risk management rules. For me it's 10% of my capital, and let's get back to the long position. Before opening a long position you should wait for a change in volume. As you can see, there is a color change and direction in the volume, and only when you see this confirmation your signal is absolutely correct and you can open a long position. And the same applies for a short position. Let's analyze a signal, let's try to find one. For example, let's choose the signal. As you can see, all the conditions for opening a short position are met here, and place the stop loss at the previous structural level. And as you can see, this position has also performed well, and the condition for the entry point are absolutely met here as well. We receive a sell signal and we see color change and direction on the volume indicator. Its histogram change color and direction, and this means that the signal is absolutely correct. This strategy works really like this. I hope I managed to explain it clearly. Let me demonstrate this strategy in action. I showed an example on the Bitcoin to USD chart, and today I'll be trading on Forex and opening all trades with currency pairs. Let's start our trading session. Now the Euro USD currency pair, we have a double signal to open a long position, and I'm going to do that. I'll place the stop loss at the structural level and open the position with a 1 to 2 ratio. And let's watch the result, guys. And as we can see, the first entry point worked out successfully. The signal was absolutely correct, and the entry happened during an upward trend direction. I wasn't wrong here, plus $200 on my bank account, and let's continue trading. So the USD GPY currency pair, a signal for opening a short position has appeared. There is a signal, and we also have a small indication of a change in volume color. So I think it should happen here. I have already set my short position. The trade is also opened with a 1 to 2 ratio, and let's see if the signals works out. As we can see, the position also worked out successfully. It took quite a bit of time, but in the end I closed the trade in profit. Excellent, another $200 to my bank account. And let's open a few more trades, guys. AUD USD currency pairs, a signal for opening a long position has appeared. I have already set my take profit and stop loss. There is a good level here, so I'll probably open the position with a 1 to 3 ratio. All conditions for opening a long position are met, and let's see. So this signal worked out quite quickly, and the result is fantastic and I'm completely satisfied with it. Another $200 to my bank account, and let's continue our trading session. Euro GPY currency pair, a signal for opening a short position has appeared. Here I will likely open the position with a 1-to-3 ratio as well. We have a fairly good level here, and there was a small consolidation area formed early. I believe this trade should work out without any problems. All conditions for entry point are met, and let's watch, guys. My short position also worked out successfully, great signal, another $300 to my bank account, and during today's trading session I managed to earn $1,000 in just 4 trades, an excellent result. All signals were absolutely correct, and that's the trading strategy that automatically shows signals with the right analysis and indicator settings. You can do exactly the same. If you have any questions, you can find a link to my Telegram in the video description, and I will try to help everyone. So have a great day, good luck in trading, bye bye.